Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the server-side Worldedit that actually runs on mobile, Pocket Mine, or Nucket, plus the Worldedit PE plugin. Once done, make sure you grant storage and local network permissions so files and servers communicate. You need the plugin build matching your Minecraft version, otherwise commands fail. Now connect a local server instance or join a hosted one where Worldedit is loaded, and verify with the //wand command to confirm the tool responds. You pick positions using the wand. Tap or hit to set pos 1, then move and set pos 2. Those two corners define the cuboid. Once set, check coordinates with //pos 1 and //pos 2 so you know the area. Use //set block to fill, //replace from 2 to change materials, or //copy and //paste for complex builds. Remember to move relative before pasting. Also, use //undo liberally and respect command limits so your phone doesn't freeze. You complete edits by saving useful builds. Run //scheme save name or //scheme save m schematic name, then clear selection with //cell. Make sure to respect edit limits. Set //limit lower if your device struggles. Use //expand to refine selections. If something goes wrong, first try //undo to revert, then check the plugin version, permission nodes, and server logs. If commands return errors, restart the server instance and re-enter the command slowly to catch typing mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.